How to add your location on a Snapchat filter. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to add a location on your Snapchat filter. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So the first thing what you want to do is actually go into your phone settings and go to the apps menu. Then scroll down and then tap on Snapchat. When you're in here, ensure that under permissions that you have location turned on. So I've got this only while using the app. You can allow all the time or ask every time, but you cannot have it on deny. So ensure that's turned on and then go back to the Snapchat app, tap on the filters button on the right hand corner and choose a filter that you'd like to use and then take a photo with it. Okay, so once you've done that, you can send it as is, but if you'd like to add your location to this Snapchat, then on the right hand side, just click on the stickers button. And so this brings up lots of options of different stickers that you use, but at the top, you can actually see it says location. So there's an option to put your location, so tap on that one. And here, it brings up the location that you're currently in or as close to where you are as possible. But say you wanted to put in a different location, you can actually tap on search. And then if I wanted to say I was in, say, New York, for example, I can just tap on New York and then tap on there. And then I can say that I'm in New York. And you can put whatever location you would like. And that's what it takes to add a location on a Snapchat filter. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.